Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is Six Round Studio. Today I have another short video for you. We're going to finish the assembly of this Stevens favorite. Not too much left to put together. We're going to install the few remaining small parts, the latch mechanism or the latch screw for the bolt to the receiver. The rear and the front sight has to go on. Not particularly complex at all, but it needs to be done. Now the first thing I want to do is install that barrel to the receiver. And the reason I want to do that is I want to keep that barrel from rotating when I'm installing the rear sight and the front sight, because I have to put it down through the dovetails. Let's go ahead and do that. The first thing I need to do is install the barrel latch screw into the bottom of the receiver. Not a big deal. We just need to start it in the threads. We need to make sure that it is not coming through the bottom. Get a little bit of oil on there, and there's a recess in the bottom of the barrel where the chamber is that aligns with that thumb screw. We'll tighten that up gently. Make sure that we're installed correctly. Tighten that up. Okay, tighten it as far as it goes. That looks really good. The rear sight is next. And we're going to install that. Now that goes in fairly easy. I'm going to try to do this with a wooden block, not with the brass, because I really want to be sure I'm not damaging the bluing on that sight. I did actually blue that rear sight at the same time I was bluing the barrel. So from that last video, bluing the barrel, the rear sight actually went in with that as well. So we'll just do that. And we'll just keep tapping it until it's on center. Which looks like right about there. I've also got the elevator that has to go in. Now this is going to be kind of fun because I do not want to scratch the top of that barrel as I'm doing this. I have no idea which notch is the correct notch, nor do I really care. Okay, so we've got that installed as well. Now the last thing I need to do is this front sight. Now this front sight is a hooded sight, and it's actually a two level sight, so you can tilt this, and I'll show you that when I get this installed. Oh, I got to get this right because that has to fold to the front. Yep, all right, so there we go. Okay. So this one is definitely going to take the brass punch. She's fighting me. Okay, all I'm trying to do is center it. There we go. All right. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but that sight flips down and flips up. And you get to use it for 2 different elevations. So distance-wise, you can change your elevation simply by flipping that down or up. Damn, this thing is pretty, guys. It really is coming out nice. All right, assembly is done. All right, assembly is done. So we got 2 more projects to do on this restoration, and we're going to handle each of them separately in their own videos. First is I got to restore this pad. It's got a chip. Now, they are available. You can buy aftermarket pads that have been newly manufactured. I don't want to do that. This one is in reasonably good shape. It is original. I can clean this up a little bit and use this, and all I have to do is figure out a way to repair that toe on this. It is chipped, so we'll get that figured out. I got a couple ideas that I think will work pretty well. Second one, and this will be a video all on its own, I have to restore, first I have to restore this forearm. There's a chip right here on that forearm at the tip. You can actually see it where it just dips down, and it dips down from here to here. So I have to literally replace a whole 1.5 inch worth of material on this. We'll get that done. We'll figure that out. So that'll all look really nice when we're done. Then I'm going to strip and refinish this so that it matches the color and the finish on that buttstock. All right. Then it'll be done. When it's done, I'll let you guys know, and I'll actually have it on display over at the retail shop for a few days so that you can come look at it if you're local. That'd be really nice, really cool. Guys, as I said, this is a short video. I wanted to get this done. Again, all of the assembly is complete at this point. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It makes a difference. Comment if you would, please. It makes a difference. All that helps grow this channel. Channel has been exceeding its records lately. I'm doing extremely well, and I owe it all to you guys for dropping in, watching the videos. Ring that bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. We got lots of good stuff coming. Thanks for being here. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.